There's two big benefits to going to networking events. That's one, getting a strategic partner, and two, getting a strategic takeaway. I'm going to an event where I potentially meet a new strategic partnership that maybe we both make $100,000 off a deal. Or maybe we do $1 million, $5 million, $10 million business together in the future. Or I'm getting a knowledge takeaway that I can get more than the time and money it spent going to that event. I spent $2,000 going to the event, travel, ticket. I'm spending my time away from my business, my family. So hopefully I'm getting a takeaway that is worth more than that. I'm getting something that I save $50,000 on taxes, an idea that I can implement, or an idea that I can implement for a $50,000 new hire, or something that gives me back $50,000, $100,000 back of my time, or an idea for streamlining my business. So those are the two ways I go into events and really try to evaluate if it's worth my time and my money. So when you're doing that, you want to look at yourself first. What skills am I bringing to an event that I think a strategic partnership could complement? What ideas do I already have that I think I can fine tune or maybe get new ideas in my business or my life that give me these sort of takeaways?